Hi everyone, welcome back to the Math Empire channel. Today I am going to teach you permutation and combinations in the simplest way possible. No confusion, just easy steps and clear examples. Let's dive right in. What are permutation and combinations? Before the formulas, let's get the meaning right. Permutation means arranging, which means order matters, while combination means choosing, which means order does not matter. Now let's look at the formulas. First, permutation formula, which is n permutation r is equal to n factorial over open bracket n minus r close bracket factorial. That is formula for permutation. Then combination formula is n combination r is equal to n factorial over r factorial open bracket n minus r factorial, where n is the total number of items and r is how many you are choosing or arranging. Let's try some examples. Example 1. How many ways can you choose 3 students out of 7? From this question, you know that this question has to do with combination. It is a combination because we are choosing only. No position, no arrangement. First, write the formula. Then we have 7 combination 3 equal to, so we have 7 factorial all over 3 factorial open bracket 7 minus 3 close the bracket all in factorial. We have 7 factorial all over 3 factorial multiplied by 4 factorial. We expand, that is the numerator and the denominator. Now we are done expanding it. So our answer becomes 210 over 6. If you divide all through, it will give us 35. And that is our final answer. So there are 35 ways to choose 3 students from 7. Let's try another example that has to do with permutation. Example 2. How many ways can 4 players be arranged in first, second, and third position? This is a permutation because order matters. Position means order. So we write the formula. N permutation r is equal to n factorial all over open bracket n minus r or in bracket. We have 4 permutation 3 equal to 4 factorial over 4 minus 3 or in factorial. Then if we solve, we have 4 factorial over 4 minus 3 gives us 1. Then we expand the numerator. We have 4 times 3, 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 will give us 24. So there are 24 ways to arrange 4 players into 3 positions. Just remember, P is position, C is choosing. With that, you won't get confused again. Thanks for watching. If this made permutations and combinations easy for you, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Drop a comment and I'll answer your math question personally. See you in the next lesson at the Math Empire channel. Bye.